So I'm gonna show y'all the craziness I gotta deal with right now. Cause my job decided to put me in the truck to deliver a keg that ain't got no lift gate, nothing. How am I supposed to get this done? Watch this. Watch me do it. I'm about to slide this shit right on down this hand truck. So y'all see, got this shit right on the hand truck. And I'm gonna slide this shit right on down the ground. This the shit I gotta deal with. Cause motherfuckers don't wanna put you on the right truck. It's cool though. I'm gonna get this shit done. I'm gonna still get this money. It's part 2. Y'all see I let it drop off onto the hand truck. I had a strap wrapped around the top of that onto the back. As you can see, there's no lift gate, right? Stack these up like that, boom, and I'm gonna let it slide right on down to the ground real easy without fucking my back up and all that. You got a lot of experience and you working somewhere and they just ain't giving you everything you need to get the job done, man. You make it work, you feel me? Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, baby. Comment, all that.